Usually won't leave till most of the hot spots.
Yeah, he come in with thermal camera and check everything.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's pretty thorough. This old solar thing drives me nuts. That noise.
It won't anymore.
There was a lighter here. The pop cans. I'm not sure if they're good to drink anymore.
Yeah.
The thing probably broke. There's still vodka up there. These things are good. There's still vodka up there.
So what up there?
Vodka.
That didn't blow up?
Oh my god.
It's probably not high enough.
What has happened to our stove?
JJ, you can't cook no more.
Once we redo this.
No kidding.
That is messed up because that was perfectly fine. Oh my god.
It looked better than
Oh!
It looked better than it's ever looked.
It kind of messed up the counter here. It's all junked up. God, bro, really? That's broken. Oh my god, what's the pretzels? Thank God I put this crap out in time. God. Oh, fidget spinner, we were right there. Guys, I gotta be honest. This is the best thing I've ever done in my life. I've actually put out a fire for the first time. Oh my god. Looks like we painted it black wood. Everything has dirt all over it. Even the coffee maker. Come on. Oh no, my Black Rifle coffee. My AK-47, my tank looks fine. Things just dusted. Oh god, everything's so dusted. Everything's fine over here. The roof's just burnt. My god. And then all the smoke on the roof.